Do you know, guys, Google is tracking you each minute, even each second. Right now you're watching this video on YouTube and Google know that you opened YouTube at this time and you opened this channel and you are watching this video. Friends, we don't know how much information we provide to Google and how much information Google actually has about us. Today in this video, I will show you how Google actually track us and how you can know that what information is tracked or shared with Google. And I promise you, after watching this video, you will really amazed that you are giving all the permission, even your phone's camera, microphone, everything to Google. Not only this, each and every activity. Additionally, I will tell you how you can stop this tracking. Actually, you cannot stop 100%, but still you can save, you can stop something. And you can also access all of the history of your activity from your Google account. Everything I'll tell you in this video, so stay with me till the end and watch this video very carefully. Hi friends, you are watching your favorite YouTube channel WhiteCane Academy and I'm your host Ratul. Before starting today's video, I want to announce that we are offering 60% discount on our most popular course WordPress Launchpad. With WordPress you can build websites within just 30 days. Join our WordPress Launchpad course and get exciting benefits. To learn more, check out our website from the About page of our channel, or you can also visit us on Telegram and WhatsApp. Links are given in the video description below to learn more about the offerings. We're also having our Hindi channel. You can subscribe them from the About page of this channel, or I will provide the link in the video description below. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
To see what information Google collects, open any browser from your device, whether from smartphone or computer. And for my case, I'll open Chrome.
New tab, Google Chrome.
And here type myactivity.google.com in address bar. I'll provide the link in the video description for ease of access.
Google.com unselected. My activity, Google.com. myactivity.google.com selected.
Once you are in this page, you will find all the activity which you have done with your Google account, which is currently signed in. After coming here, you have to press Tab key until you find Web and App Activity.
Clickable, open element, Google App, Google Account, navigate other activity, activity control, Google Account link.
From this page, if you want, you can delete this, delete your activity.
Add other activity, delete activity by link.
So first option is delete activity. So from here you can delete the activity, but I will show you how you can turn this off.
Other activity can Google Account link, help and feedback link.
I'm pressing tab.
Privacy link, terms link, main landmark web and app activity on visited link.
See, web and activity, web and app activity on.
Timeline off link.
Timeline off.
Web and app activity on visited link.
So let me press enter here.
Banner landmark.
And after that you can also get YouTube history, which is also turned on by default. If you wish, you can remove that. Now after coming to this page, you have to just press H for heading wise.
Banner landmark activity controls heading level 1.
And go down.
Menu button collapse Google app button
Go down.
Heading level 1 activity controls.
Yes, activity controls. Just go down.
These settings help tailor your experiences across Google services when you use your Google account.
Okay, down.
Google always collects, uses and processes data in accordance with the link Google Privacy Policy. For example, regardless of these settings, Google can collect and use data that is not associated with your account. Safer with Google. You control which data is saved to your account. Link learn more. Web and app activity. Gives you a more personalized experience and saves your activity on some Google services, including associated info like location and your web and app activity in your Google account. Link learn more about.
Okay, so here you can read about these services, these Google web and app activity. Actually, Google collects all of the information, all of your activity regarding what websites you are visiting, what applications you open, and where you are, the places you visit, everything. And based on that, Google actually personalized the advertisement. And this is a source where Google actually make money. Now, I'm going to show you how you can understand this thing. So I'm just pressing H.
No next heading.
Okay, no next heading. So I'm going down.
Link on. Link web and app
See,
activity.
Web and app activity on.
On since November 20th.
On since November 20th. So I just turned it on to show you.
Button turn off.
So this is the turned off options. We will see this, but before that, let me go down.
See and delete activity. Graphic product icon image.
Now see, you can check each items, each activities, and then if you wish, you can delete one by one.
Link search.
See, search. So if you press enter, if you go there, you will see all the search activity, search related activity which stores by Google.
Graphic product icon image. Link ads.
Ads. So what ads you are watching, Google is also saving that info. Okay, that these type of ads you are preferred, you are watching. Okay.
Graphic product link Google Play.
Google Play. What type of applications you download from Google Play? Okay, all activities are stored here. That's why you will get the suggestions from Google Play.
Graphic product icon link maps.
Maps. I already told about this. Where you are visiting, what restaurants you are writing reviews. Okay, which type of places you would like to visit. Based on that, Google will show ads.
Graphic link Google Translate.
Google Translate, what type of translations you are prefer. Okay.
Graphic link assistant.
Assistant, you are continuously talking to Google and everything is stored in Google, and Google is already using those data to show you ads. And that is not only for the Google, that is also applicable for Facebook and other social media platforms, because nothing is free in the world, friends. So you need to give something to get something. So obviously you need to subscribe to this channel to get these type of interesting tutorials. And by the way, you can also join our WhatsApp group from the about page of our channel, where we provide our official website. Visit the contact us page to know more about our WhatsApp group. So guys, I'm going down.
Graphic product icon image link Google News.
Google News.
Graphic link Google Lens.
Okay, Google
Graphic
Lens.
link Android.
Okay, so Android. So what is this Android? This is the place where you can check all your app activity. Let's explore.
Google.
When you press enter on this, you will be redirected to this page, and in this page you will find till all activities regarding your applications. So what I do is I just go to the bottom of the page, and then I press upper, and then you can understand how much activity it is stored.
Button delete active graphic load secure UPI
Paytm, and below that
button delete activity.
Delete activity. Delete activity means only this activity will be deleted. Only
secure UPI payment.
This activity does not mean that you open Paytm again and again and the Paytm related activities will be deleted. No, it will delete only this activity. Let's say this opens you sometimes 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. That activity will be deleted only for that time.
Button delete activity item
delete activity.
View AJR main 1047 bullet button open details of activity view AJR
open
main.
Details.
Heading level 2 July 13th 2019.
See, July 13th 2019 and it's 2025. It's almost before COVID and everything. So can you imagine how much data? And just below I'm going.
Button delete all activity from July 13th 2019.
So this button you will see after each date. So if you press enter on that date, whatever activity you saved, that will be deleted. I'm going down.
Graphic logo for Paytm secure UPI payments.
See.
Paytm secure UPI payments. Button delete activity item AJR main.
I use this application.
2245 bullet button
this
open out of list. Looks like you reached the end.
Okay. So it's okay. I'm just going up.
List August 6th, November 1st, 2019.
Okay, so let's say November
button,
1st.
graphic logo for paid. But view 13 heading level 2 October 13 12 bullet heading button delete all act heading level 2 October 28 November March 14 button the graphic logo for paid secure UPI paid button delete view AJR main 2146 heading level 2 March 13th March 7 no previous head April 8th button graphic heading level 2 April 8th 2023
and see
once used button
a lot of
my geo forever graphic logo for my geo
my geo I used
heading level 2 July 20 out of lit button jump to date button you can add safer with Google button manage my active Google button auto delete off link saving to web and app activity
so you can
graphic
auto delete
it manually or choose the Android activity that you keep is used to improve your experience. You delete a link button on Google protects your privacy and security.
Okay, so Google says that Google protects your privacy and security, but I don't know that whether Google really protects. Okay, now I'll show you how you can turn this off. To turn this
Google
off,
Google history property page link saving to web
turn
button
this
auto
off.
delete off.
What you can do is you can just set auto delete also. Just you can set any frequency for that. To turn this off, just go back to this from this page.
Google My Activity document.
Or you can close this window using Ctrl W.
No next head link view all. Visited link Android.
And here you can check. You can just click on view all.
Sub checkbox not
and
checked.
then sub settings is also available. This is under the web and app activity page. Okay.
Include Chrome history and activity from site.
Include Chrome
checkbox not
activity
checked. Include voice
site.
and audio activity. Learn more. Checkbox not checked.
Okay, now I will be turn this
Include
off and
checkbox
delete
not
all my
checked.
previous activity.
Include with checkbox not checked.
Because if you done when you are turning off, if you do not delete, then Google will use your older activity to show you ads.
Banner.
So what I do is I just press B.
Open help menu Google Apps button Google account turn off button.
Click and turn off.
Expanded.
And you will
turn
have
off,
two options. Turn off.
Turn off one step menu item focus.
One step.
Turn off and delete activity.
Turn off and delete activity. So I'm choosing this.
Search link. Turn off button focus expanded. Turn off and delete activity.
So just I'm pressing enter here.
Turn off button collapsed dialog.
And I will give you some
button close this dial. Heading
alerts.
New activity won't be saved in your web
New
and app
activity won't
when the
web and
setting
app
is off. New
settings
account.
off, etc.
Data that you
etc.
keep can still web and app still be deleted based on your web and app time. Group data that Google this setting doesn't example. List with 4 items bullet link timeline data.
Timeline
Bullet
data.
link play games profile.
Play games
bullet link
profile.
other activity data like bullet view bullet link other activity data like survey responses reviews and ratings that you provided Google. Bullet view and manage more data in your link. Learn more about turn back on button. Next button.
So just click on next.
Button dialog. Button next. Choose activity to delete. What happens when you delete activity? Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer used for personalization.
Okay.
21 products selected.
21 products.
Checkbox check select all.
So I'm just selecting all.
Not checked. Not checked. Product selection list ads. Next step. Step 2 of 3. Button do not delete. Button next.
So if you want, you can specifically do not delete.
Button next.
And do. Or just press next.
Button dialog loading. Confirm that you would like to delete the following activity region.
Now you need to confirm this.
Preview. Do not delete delete button. No next. Do not delete button.
Just click and delete.
Close this dialog button. Loading page loaded. Button close this dialog. Deletion complete.
That's it.
The activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. Link learn how your activity is deleted. Privacy tip. Explore activity from other group. Got it button. Heading left.
So this way you can turn this off. Turn off this feature. And now Google will not track you with using your activity. But still Google will track you a little bit. That you cannot ignore because this is the only way to show you ads. But
banner heading level.
You still safe from Google and personalized advertisement. So this is an important settings which I prefer to
Turn
do.
on no next banner
Always see.
Google account heading these group exact these settings help group accuracy you control with
Now
data
see.
save you web get a so link off since no button turn on sub settings checkbox include check and audio link to manage you have no activity to delete turn on web and app activity to choose an auto delete option.
Okay, so if you want you can choose the auto delete option. So these are the settings related to Google My Activity. Okay, I hope you got the points. Now you can check all of your email accounts and if you wish you can turn the activity off. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If this video finds you well, then don't forget to subscribe WhiteCane Academy and like this video. Press hype button so that everyone can learn about this feature. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to comment on which topic you want videos in the comment section. Those who are interested to watch our content in Hindi, don't forget to subscribe our WhiteCane Academy Hindi YouTube channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.